Hey guys, I'm Sam, and today we're gonna do some Mysticons inspired cooking. Today we're gonna be making snorg balls.
Snorg balls!
It's the Mysticons' favorite treat in the Undercity.
I can eat these all day. I'm going to eat these all day.
Basically, they're just fried snot balls from a snorg. Before they're cooked, they're green and pink, and then after they're cooked, they're brown and caramel. So let's go fry some snot. I'm just kidding, we're just gonna make some cake pops. Let's get to it. So our first step is to crumble up some cake. You can get cake from any grocery store, you can bake it yourself. Put it in a bowl and crumble it well. To make sure that you can roll the cake into balls, it has to be moist. So what we're gonna do is we're just gonna take 1 spoon of chocolate icing, and we're just gonna put that in there, and then we're gonna mix it together. And you can just have fun here and get messy, it's all right. So now what you're gonna do to test if the cake is moist, you're just gonna pick it up and squeeze it together, and if it sticks like this, it's moist enough. Next, I melted some white chocolate in the microwave. So all you're gonna do is add a bit of food coloring in there just to make it pinkish. Stir that in until you see it pink. Next, you're gonna use one of these cookie scoopers to make the actual ball. So just press it against the side, scoop it, roll it in your hand, just like this, until you see that it is a ball, kind of like Play-Doh. Then take one of these sticks, put it in our pink chocolate, and then what you're gonna do is you're just gonna skewer the ball, hold it, and put it on the plate, just like that. The pink chocolate acts like a seal to keep the ball on the stick.
Hit me with an order of snorg balls! Raw!
So guys, our next step is to fully dip the cake pop into the pink chocolate. So tilt it and just swirl it in there, go around, make sure that the entire thing is covered in pink. And then once you're done a few of those, you can put them in the fridge to make the chocolate harden to get that cake pop. Okay, so now we're gonna do the other side of the snorg ball, which is green. I melted some more white chocolate. We're gonna have green food coloring. Grab a spoon, mix that all together. Okay, so our next step is we're gonna dollop the chocolate onto the ball using a spoon. And remember, if you don't get it right the first time, you got 3 more. Make sure it covers around half of it.
Another round, Schnicks.
All right, now let's cook the snort ball, because when you cook it, it turns brown. Just melt normal chocolate this time, and then dip the cake pop into the chocolate until it's fully covered. Again, make a few more, put it in the fridge, let it cool, and then we're gonna put some butterscotch on top. I got some butterscotch chips, melted them in the microwave. Just take a bit of butterscotch, put it right on the ball, cover around half. Okay guys, so these are our snorg balls. We got them uncooked and cooked. Put them out, invite your friends over, have a party. I don't know, it's up to you. So let's try one of these and see how they taste. Man, who knew snot could taste so good?
Whatever it is, it tastes like home.
If you decide to make your own snorg balls, why don't you let me know? Use the hashtag Mysticons when sharing your post online.